Hello mathematicians and happy Friday. You made it through your very first week of Go Math responsibilities. So kiss those brains, first graders. So today we are going to play a math game to practice our addition. And we know that addition is taking two parts and putting them together, add them up, more is better. So today what you will need to play this game is a blank sheet of paper and a dice. If you do not have one of these at home in a game board or something like that, then there is a virtual one on the next slide for you to use. So how we're going to play this game is we're going to roll the dice. What number did I get? I got 5. So that's going to be my first part of my addition sentence. Then I need a second part, so I'm going to roll again. Ooh, what did I get there? A 6. So that's going to be my second part. All right, boys and girls, now I need to solve for the whole. This is where you get to use your very special and unique math brain, boys and girls. How would you like to solve your addition problem? Are you going to use cubes or counters or tap numbers and count on fingers? It's your choice to use your math brain. So for me, I'm going to tap numbers and count on fingers because that's the way my math brain likes to do this. So I'm going to look and find the larger number, and the larger number is 6. So I'm going to tap 6 and count up 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is my answer. And then, boys and girls, we can play it again. Roll again. 5 again. Plus 1 equals, Now, boys and girls, my math brain knows that if I'm adding 1, I can just count up 1. So, 5, 6 is the answer to my addition sentence, my addition problem. All right, boys and girls, it's your turn to go ahead and try this game all on your own. Let's see if you can write 10 of your very own addition sentences. Have fun and happy Friday!